Hello everyone, welcome back to another reaction video, and today we are back with more SIDEMEN, and we have SIDEMEN make the sound of blank underscore, whatever you want to call it. Don't really know what that means, but it sounds like it could be fun. So let's get into it, shall we?
Ladies and gentlemen, we're playing Hearsay, the game where we have to make sound effects.
Oh, I remember this.
Yeah.
Okay, oh, fuck.
Again.
Okay, so I think I did play along with this last time as much as I could, and it was really cringe, and I hated myself for about 3 weeks after it. So I apologize for what this video is about to be, but yeah, this is apparently what you guys want to see. So cool.
Oh, minigame. No one mute for this one.
Okay.
Okay.
So you're trying to get reps on this.
Okay, I can't do this one. Fine. But normally it's like they've got to make a certain sound of like an animal or some shit like that, right? And it's Jesus Christ.
Get in the gym, lads. Get your reps in.
Alright, this is
Get your reps in.
now.
Right, let's go. It's the strangest game ever.
Your best dolphin impression.
That was good, no? Ah, fuck, I hate these videos so much. That's not good. That's okay. A what?
A yowling cat.
A yowling cat? What does yowling mean? What the fuck is yow? I can't do this one. I don't know what it means.
I one took it, bro.
Sure. I feel like I smashed the dinosaur, not the dolphin. No.
Don't retry. Just do one take.
Yeah, do one take only.
Yeah, we should do one take. Yeah, do one take. Okay.
Okay.
Pretty good.
What? What? It's not a yowl. Or a cat.
I don't know what a yowl is. I've never heard.
I
Yeah.
had to YouTube search it, and it's when they go.
Oh, you did research.
You're not allowed to do that.
I wish I want to take my vote back now. That's disgraceful.
You're not allowed to fucking Google it. That's why I didn't.
I want to take my vote back.
Mine was a good yowl as well, but you just fucking.
It wasn't a yowl. Is it?
Yeah, yours was kind of just
listen
a
to
meow.
mine again, you gimp.
I voted you though, so.
Fuck you. Research gimp.
Yeah, you can't research it. You can't research it. That takes away from it.
Here we go. Okay.
Why is that the video?
Yeah,
Sure.
Why does it do this? A horn.
All right.
Oh, yes.
It's okay.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. That's quite good.
It's pretty good.
Harry. That's more of a cat. Did you bro?
You were the one yowling cat.
Like a dolphin, bro.
You would have won yowling cat, bro. Oh, let's go.
All right, fair enough. Poor Harry.
That was quite a cool
That was
sound,
single
by the way,
vote.
the points arriving. That was quite nice. It's quite satisfying.
What are they gonna put it in though? That's the question. Let's see the video. Ooh. Yeah, okay.
You know what? Fair.
Bro, that's such a long, awkward sound. Alright, new minigame.
I do like this game. It's so much fun.
Dots you can.
Oh shit. Okay.
Okay.
What would you even describe this as? Like, what? Genuinely, what do you describe these little bits as? Like,
Oh, so
Bro, that was impossible.
I got 10. Really hard.
The noise, it went to the top.
Same.
Go. Same game. Go.
You know what to do, bro.
You need to move your mic away.
That's what I started doing at the end. I was.
Fair. Oh. Ooh.
okay, what the prompt?
Tame sext.
Oh, okay.
What? So you saying the sext? Oh, I can't wait to be with you later. That's tame, right? That's pretty poo.
Oh, you're so hot.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Along those lines. Oh, that's already it. Okay.
Oh yeah. Put that rolling pin up your.
That's
I
not
hate that.
very tame.
Oh, that was horrible.
Auto glass repair. Auto glass replace.
A catchy commercial jingle. I don't know why, but whenever it comes to commercial jingles, I'll always go to that triple dent jingle in Inside Out. Don't know why. Triple dent, come on, make you smile. Don't know why. They've tuned something into me.
Flash. Flash.
No way, they both did the same
Powers of the
thing.
universe.
I should have retried, but obviously you can't.
That's
retry.
pretty cool.
Yeah, no retries. I really wanted to.
You're right, I should have
Wait.
retried.
Yeah. I muted my actual mic. And I
didn't like
sung it
So,
3
you want
times.
to go out? Maybe fuck?
Oh no.
It says tame, bro. That's not tame.
Oh, girl, you're so hot.
Yeah, that's really fucking cringy as well.
Do you laugh at the end as well?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Put that rolling pin up your.
I can't vote for that.
Harry, I never want to hear you say.
That was horror. That was horror.
Jesus.
Harry.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god, Harry.
Outrageous.
Harry, I never want to be at the end of one of them.
Oh, girl, you're so hot.
Sure.
I slightly wish you heard Harry's one in that word.
I did. I said oh no at the end of it. I didn't like it.
Any catchy Okay.
Auto glass repair.
Auto glass replace.
That is a good one.
Yeah, okay.
I can't wait for the realization.
No.
There we go.
Yeah, okay. Don't mind it.
Stop leaving these songs.
Flowers of the universe.
Oh, you did the same one.
Oh, that was actually kind of. Oh, I thought they'd make more of a deal.
Jingle then, if it's the one you both went to.
Yeah. So flashed, bro. Aww.
The fact that Ethan got votes and Toby didn't. Oh.
Josh points though, because he YouTube stuff. We got.
I didn't YouTube that one. Come on now, bro.
No, but you've ruined the game for everyone anyway.
Auto glass repair. Auto glass replace.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, actually, I didn't like the laugh at the end.
Yeah, no, that's why I should have retried, but obviously no retries, bro. Oh, boys, I'm getting no points here. Come on.
Nah, bro, you didn't deserve any points for that one. Yeah. What? Why did you go for rolling?
Hop.
I don't know. I was panicking.
Oh, jeez. I do want to play this sometime. I feel like Jackbox has so many good, different, like, weird games. I've never tried it.
Oh.
Oh shit! It really slows down.
Slowing down, bro. Nice, his knacks, bro.
What?
Jesus Christ.
Someone's going slow.
Yeah, Ethan's really good with these for some reason.
Yeah. Mini game, 3 wins, bro. How did you do that?
He's got.
He's the throat go. Like a 5-second delay. Make a noise.
Because I
Okay.
do.
I think this is the last round.
That's why, bro. You got
fair. Ooh. What do you say? Give us your best beatboxing. Give us your best beatboxing.
What? Give us your best beatboxing. That's as good as it's gonna fucking get. Sure. Yep, fair.
Rap a children's nursery rhyme.
Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall.
I don't want to do
Humpty
this one.
Had a great fall, and there's a tool.
Twinkle,
Yeah, sure.
twinkle, little star.
Or do they all have to do the same ones?
Bar, black sheep.
Bar, black sheep. Have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Did he forget it?
I actually can't think of a name.
A ridiculous name for a DJ. Nah, it's too hard. It's too hard.
DJ Log Sniffer.
DJ Feeler Rock.
Big Star, one,
hands
two,
on
three. You know what?
Beatboxing.
All hands on decks is pretty good, actually. No.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, Vic's not even here to defend himself.
Like a ringtone.
That's doing baseline, bro. That's doing baseline.
I'm not gonna lie. For me, there's a clear winner
It's
there.
a clear winner for me.
Give it. Oh yes.
Nice.
It weren't the Googling cheat bag.
Oh.
So I'm confused then. So only 4 of them get each one.
Yes.
Why? I don't understand that.
Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall, and there's a tool.
Oh, yeah.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are.
Oh,
That was like a MC kind of vibe, no? It was like at the fun fair.
Whoa.
It's not rapping.
Whoa.
It's not rapping.
Ethan wins this. Easy, no?
JJ, whoa.
The rapper doesn't know what rapping is.
One thing to do. You're a rapper, bro.
Cheers with the bar black.
Toby?
Oh, pretty split.
Fair. Ethan's my vote there.
Get wrecked, KSI.
Oh.
DJ Log Sniffer. All hands on dicks.
Oh, he said dicks, not decks. Sure.
DJ, feel her up.
Oh no.
That's
Star 1, 2, 3.
about that joke. Nah, that's out of order, Josh.
Simon wins that.
Sorry,
Log Sniffer.
sorry, boys. Sorry, boys.
Proper out of order, bro.
Yeah.
It's crazy, bro. That's
Vic Star 1, 2, 3.
in one video.
All hands on dicks, man. Come on. That was my vote.
See that? Yeah, turn that up.
Oh, they're making a song.
Oh.
Oh, it puts it all together?
Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall.
Oh,
yeah. Had a great fall.
Do you reckon he would have been white if I won?
The stand with a hit single hot off the presses from
DJ, feel her up.
Humpty Dumpty had a great
Oh no. That is pretty cool.
That was cool.
DJ, feel her up.
I'm a fan of that video.
See that? Yeah, turn that up.
Oh no.
Where's it playing again? This is runner up.
Oh, it's runner up.
Black sheep.
There's your answer, Simon.
This one is not going to work.
coming at you with a hit single hot off the presses from
DJ Log Sniffer.
Jesus Christ.
Jeez.
Oh, I actually love this game. You know?
It's so good. It is so good.
Oh, it's done. It's over. No.
Wait, did Harry lose?
Get
No,
wrecked.
there he is. Most likes.
Oh, nice. Didn't even do a like for anyone.
I'm so pleased then.
Nice.
Top two.
Here he is. Mini get. Oh, there
Yeah, Mentor with the winner.
Well done, well done.
Oh, that was fun times, lads.
Congratulations.
I do enjoy reacting to these
9.6
videos.
million
They're very, 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 very cringe. Don't get me wrong, but they are very funny at the same time. But I hope you guys enjoyed as well. If you did, please do make sure you leave a like down below. Subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.